All right, this is independent client, Mrs. Shane. We came out today to do a laundry room addition. These are BaileyTown cabinets in the white, Arctic white. I got baseboard on the ends, baseboard on the ends. All right, this is a little add-on we did here. This is a desk area, 33. Then we built a faux wall against the brick wall there and brought it up. It sits 4.5 inches from the top of the cabinets. 4.5 inches there. It was 4.5 inches all the way across there. We had to defer it off because of the plumbing came out of the wall there from the kitchen sink. So we built this enclosure that will have a wood top go over top of it. But that is for that. And then we got the upper cabinets here. We furred them out to 15 inches, skinned them, did the crown molding above. There is no handles on. We'll have to do that when we come back to do the countertops. This is a little wall cabinets. We had to build a base underneath and put baseboard and quarter round against it. And this is a little seating area here. Come to this side. This is going to be another seating area slash dog storage. This is at 36 inches to the face of that. Got a baseboard there with quarter round. Scribe moldings everywhere. Again, there's no handles because we'll have to do those when we come back next time. Got a quarter round around the bottom. We will have to cut out the bottom part of the sink base when we come back and put strips in for 2x4 so we can set the sink in when we install the countertops. But other than that, everything is finished 100%. We're just waiting on the countertops to be put in. But skin this end here so the countertops will be hidden. The 2x4s will be hidden and the countertops go on. But if there's any more questions, give us a call at 423-650-1051. Thank you.